What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Hash and you're watching Detroit Rebuilds. So today we're back at my boy's shop. I'm gonna give you an update on the Chrysler 300 that I just got from the auction, and I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of the car he's working on, which is really cool. You guys are probably gonna make fun of me in the comments or him, but hey, whatever people buy, we sell. Got the new door in, well, the new used door in. Already got a mirror, it's somewhere in the car. There's the box for the mirror, brand new headlight down there. We just realigned the door and pulled it out a bit. Now the fender could fit perfectly. Then we could throw on the front bumper, the headlights, and fix the hood a little, and we should be good. Overall, this is really good buy for us from the auction, so I'm really happy about this purchase. Again, the car runs and drives perfect, so no airbags deployed, all-wheel drive, S-type baby. And my friend's probably gonna kill me, but this is the build he's doing. He got a 2015 Dodge Challenger from the auction, V6 engine. He's making it into a RT SRT clone. Really cool build. As you can see, it's a V6 engine, 3.6 liter. Very nice rims. I think these are the RT rims. A little damage right here on the fender, that's nothing. Airbags only on the driver's side deployed. Roof. And he replaced the steering wheel with an SRT airbag. That's really cool. Oh, and he got, I'm not sure because I've never flipped or bought a Challenger before, so don't make fun of me, guys. It won't go down, but he got an RT or SRT, whatever you want to call it. Man, these cars are beautiful. They just look so mean. I think my next auction buy is going to be a Dodge Challenger or a Charger. I've had a Charger, but not a Challenger. I had a 2014 Charger before. Yeah, this thing looks mean. I'm definitely gonna try to bid on a Challenger next. These things are sexy. Sucks though, they're rear wheel drive. Oh. You already know what emblem's gonna be here. I think it's the 6.4 liter emblem, something like that, or 6.1 liter. Again, I've never owned a Challenger before.